Terpenes are the largest and most diverse group of naturally occurring compounds found in plants and some animals. They're responsible for the aromas, flavors, and colors associated with various types of plants. In terms of cannabis, terpenes are what makes certain strains smell or taste different than others. These aromatic compounds create the characteristic scent of many plants, such as cannabis, pine, and lavender, as well as fresh lemon peel. There are more than 150 known terpenes in cannabis. There is substantial research-based evidence suggesting that terpenes have direct therapeutic and physiological effects on the body. Pinene is found in pine needles, conifers, orange peel, turpentine, rosemary, basil, dill, and parsley. To distinguish between the two pinenes, alpha pinene smells like pine needles or rosemary, while beta pinene has a smell reminiscent of dill, parsley, basil, or hops. Research suggests that pinene has the ability to be an anti-inflammatory, helps open respiratory airways, anti-anxiety, pain relief, and may reduce the spread of bacteria and viruses. BETA-CARYOPHYLLENE is a distinctively spicy sweet terpene with a woody, clove-like taste and aroma. BETA-CARYOPHYLLENE can be naturally sourced from copaiba tree resin, black pepper, cloves, rosemary, basil, and oregano. BETA-CARYOPHYLLENE is a particularly notable terpene, having been the first terpene shown to act on the CB2 receptors in the endocannabinoid system. Research suggests BETA-CARYOPHYLLENE has the following properties: anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, pain reliever, anti-anxiety, reduces cholesterol, prevents osteoporosis, seizures, brain inflammation, and Alzheimer's disease. Delta-3 carene is found in a number of plants like rosemary, basil, bell peppers, cedar, and pine. Its aroma is sweet and resembles the smell of cypress. Research suggests Delta-3 carene may relieve inflammation related to arthritis, fibromyalgia, boost bone health, benefiting people with osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, or other bone diseases. Delta-3 carene also stimulates our memory and helps with memory retention. Eucalyptol, also known as cineol, is the primary terpene of the eucalyptus tree and has a minty aroma. This terpene is present in cannabis as well as sweet basil, rosemary, sage, bay leaves, camphor trees, and tea trees. Research suggests eucalyptol can reduce inflammation, respiratory discomfort, has an antioxidant properties, antibacterial, anti-cancer, antifungal, and can enhance memory while boosting mental energy and working memory. GERANIOL is a primary component of citronella oil, rose oil, and palmarosa oil. GERANIOL occurs naturally in the essential oils of geranium and lemon, as well as numerous fruits, flowers, and vegetables. Its smell resembles a mixture of rosegrass, peaches, and plums. Research suggests GERANIOL has therapeutic benefits to include neuroprotectant, antioxidant, pain reduction, anti-inflammatory, and fungal properties. HUMULENE emits a slightly bitter, earthy, woody, and spicy aroma. The scent and taste of HUMULENE can be likened to a hoppy beer. No other plant is as closely related to cannabis as hops. HUMULENE can be found also in cloves, sage, and black pepper. HUMULENE is no stranger to modern biomedical research, including studies on black pepper, hops, and ginseng. Research has proven HUMULENE to be an effective anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and appetite suppressant. Limonene is one of the most commonly found terpenes in the cannabis plant. As the name itself says, limonene produces a citrusy taste and smell that resembles lemons, which is no surprise as all citrus fruits contain large amounts of this compound. When it comes to its therapeutic purposes, limonene is a mood booster and stress crusher. Researchers also found it to have antifungal and antibacterial properties, with one study even announcing that limonene may play a role in reducing tumor size. Linalool is a naturally occurring terpene found in many flowers and spices, including lavender and coriander. It gives off a complex yet delicate floral aroma. Linalool may help alleviate stress, anti-anxiety, anticonvulsant, antidepressant, and muscle relaxant. Myrcene is the most abundant terpene in cannabis. In fact, one study shows that myrcene makes up as much as 65% of total terpene profiles in some strains. The smell and taste of myrcene often has earthy, musky notes, similar to cloves. Myrcene can also have a fruity red grape-like aroma. In nature, it's mostly found in mangoes, lang-lang, wild thyme, and lemongrass. Research suggests that myrcene has antifungal, antibacterial properties and could have sedating effects, making it a potential sleep aid, muscle relaxant, and may help manage anxiety. NEROLIDOL is a terpene found in many strong aromatic plants, such as jasmine, tea tree, and lemongrass, as well as cannabis. NEROLIDOL has a light floral taste and aroma with notes of citrus, apples, rose, and is often a fragrance or food additive. Researchers have also found evidence that NEROLIDOL has sedative, anti-anxiety, antimicrobial, antiparasitic, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties. Terpineol occurs naturally in more than 150 plants, including cannabis, lilacs, lime blossoms, eucalyptus sap, and pine trees. It has a lilac and apple blossom aroma and is often found in high proportions in cannabis with high pinene levels. Terpineol tastes like anise and mint. This terpene has strong therapeutic values. Research suggests that terpineol is an antioxidant, anti-cancer, anticonvulsant, anti-ulcer, antihypertensive, and neuroprotectant. Terpinolene occurs naturally in sage, lilac, rosemary, conifer trees, apple trees, and tea trees, and is a constituent in many essential oils. As opposed to other terpenes found in cannabis, terpinolene is neither an analgesic nor anti-inflammatory. However, this terpene is studied for its antifungal and antibacterial properties and for its mild sedative action. Its synergistic properties enhances the action of THC and CBD. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe so you know when we go live and post more content. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day. Bye!